Sis, can see your candy over here. You gotta put them in. Gotta hide them behind the plant. Okay.
You putting my candy on blast, huh?
No, I'm putting you on blast. Yo, guys, we got a whole snack bar behind these flowers. You know?
Don't tell people. There's a reason why we have a plant there.
All right. It is time for us to rev up our car knowledge now with our friends from Aloha Kia. And thanks to the team, we've traveled across the islands to see what makes each dealership very special.
That's right, and it's no secret. It's the Aloha you feel from the showroom to service that fuels our love for the Kia brand here in the island.
And you know, we learned that Aloha Kia Kona has been recognized for their dedicated service and care for the people on Hawaii Island. Take a look.
Aloha Kia Kona. That's where Island Life Live is, right here in the midst of our summer drives, right here with Auto Weekly. And this is our good friend, Joey Ferguson. He is our service manager at Aloha Kia Kona. Brother, thank you so much for hanging out with us.
No worries. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, and we know that this service center is tops when it comes to servicing all the community of Kona, actually all of Big Island.
Yeah, I would say at least half the island, you know, we take care of on this side.
I love it. And you folks do Kia as well as other makes and models.
Most makes and models. Yep, absolutely.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, this week we wanted to talk about the importance of maintaining our tires.
Yeah.
Can we talk about that first? Let's talk about proper inflation. I know a lot of people, we've been talking about inflation, but this is different.
Yeah. Inflation is huge. You know, not only for, you know, the drive to be nice and comfortable and smooth. You know, if you're overinflated, it can be a lot more stiff. You know, if you're underinflated, it can be an issue as well too. Rotating the tires is going to be huge. Tires are not cheap. Making them last as long as possible by rotating properly, in tandem with an oil change as well too, keeps them alive for longer. Alignments also as well too, you know.
So if I'm not mistaken, when your tires are properly inflated, that's like the best use of your gas.
Correct, yeah. Fuel economy will go in tandem with that as well too. You know, if your car is working harder, whether that's being deflated or overinflated, you know, you will waste more fuel as well.
Got it. Now I want to ask you, why is it important to rotate the tires?
So your tires over time will get wear on them, you know, wear and tear on the road. Now mitigating the abnormal wear is going to be huge, and doing that would be rotating the tires properly, allowing them to, you know, wear on the proper side accordingly, not just in one spot, expediting the process of needing replacements.
Wow, mitigating abnormal wear. We learned some new words today.
Yeah, I brought my dictionary.
I love it. But at the same time, is it safe for me to check my own tires? Is that something that we should do?
You know, it is something that you could buy a very cost-effective tool to gauge them, you know, or you're more than welcome to roll on by here at Aloha Kia Kona as well too. We inflate, you know, we will check tire pressure and also, you know, check the tread depth as well too.
Very
and I
cool.
think in the midst of that checking, you guys can check to see if there's like a crack in the tire or there might be a nail in the tire
absolutely.
that I might not see, right?
Yeah. So when it comes down to whether your tire pressure light is on, you know, not only do we make sure that you're at the correct PSI, but, you know, soaping down the tires, making sure we have no pukas, things like that as well.
Hey, Joey, I got to ask you, because your general manager, Bill, was bragging about some alignment system that you have or some kind of device.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we do have a beautiful alignment rack up top at our service shop. We do alignments through and through on all cars as well too, not only just Kia. So when in time, you know, we can check the alignment. If it needs adjustments, we can do adjustments as well.
Very cool. Well, I'm glad you asked all those questions. Lena girl learned a lot today. Of course, Joy and I, we come from the same school. We both know a lot about cars.
Brother, you know where the ignition is. Come on.
That's true.
That's
Very
it.
true.
Gas and go.
And how
Gas
to
and
turn on
go.
the AC. That one about that. Joey, thanks so much, brah.
Yeah,
we appreciate
no
it.
worries.
Aloha
We appreciate
Kia,
you guys.
Kailua Kona. Come visit our friend Joey for the best service and maintenance in town. Bruh, they were so awesome at Aloha Kia Kona.
He was awesome using them big words, mitigating. Love it. Now, thank you so much to the Aloha Kia Kona Ohana.